Alright, so we're going to continue section 6.3 that we started in class on properties of trig functions. So the last example that we did in class was sine of 11 pi over 4. So in order to find the exact value of sine of 11 pi over 4, what we did was we created a unit circle and then we counted by pi over 4. So this piece is pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6, 7 pi over 4, 8 pi over 4, 9 pi over 4, 10 pi over 4, and 11 pi over 4. So 11 pi over 4 lands right here. So then we found the sine value. In order to find the sine value, we're looking at the y value of this part of the unit circle. So the x value is negative radical 2 over 2, and the y value is radical 2 over 2. That means that the sine of 11 pi over 4 is equal to radical 2 over 2. So this is one method, by using the unit circle and counting around until you get to 11 pi over 4. But as I mentioned in class, if you have over 100 or if you have some really big number, here we don't want to go and sit there and count how many times it goes around. So another method, so this is one method, method 1, by using the unit circle, and method 2 is going to be by finding out how many times does 11 pi over 4 go a full revolution around the unit circle. So, and how much extra does it go after you go a full revolution? So in order to find that, we're going to take 11 pi over 4 and divide it by 2 pi. We divide it by 2 pi because 2 pi is that full revolution. So this is equal to 11 pi over 4 times 1 over 2 pi. So the pi's are going to cancel, you get 11 over 8. So you take this 11 over 8 and you divide. So 11 divided by 8, this gives me a 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Subtract, you get a 3. So it's 1 and 3/8. But what does this really mean? So we were asking ourselves, how many times does this 11 pi over 4 go a full revolution? So that means this goes one full revolution, so it goes around once, and then 3/8 of another full revolution. So again, we said one full revolution was 2 pi. So 11 pi over 4 is equal to one of these full revolutions, one of these 2 pi's, plus 3/8 of another one of these revolutions. So this is equal to 2 pi plus 3 pi over 4. So now this is going to tell me you go one full revolution. So let's use the same picture. You go one full revolution. So we end right here. And then you go 3 pi over 4 more. So 3 pi over 4 more, that would be this one right here. So it lands on exactly the same place. So then the y value is radical 2 over 2 still. So that means that sine of 11 pi over 4 is still radical 2 over 2.